So what's going on, everyone? And today I've got something that is gonna save you hours every weekend and some serious cash this Black Friday. This is the Segway Navimow I-Series, the fully wire-free AI-powered robot mower that basically runs your lawn for you. And right now, there are some big Black Friday deals happening. So if you've been waiting to get this one, this might be the best time.
I've been using this mower since April, and honestly, the feature that surprised me the most isn't just the wire-free setup. It's how much control you get inside the app. Once you map your lawn, the Navimow actually lets you fine-tune everything from boundaries to schedules in a way that makes it feel tailored to your yard. One big update I want to point out: the Navimow I-Series now supports two types of boundaries: standard boundary and the new riding boundary. Standard boundary is your normal perimeter, basically the do not cross line for the mower. But riding boundary, that lets the mower drive slightly outside the main boundary so it can trim right up to edges, fences, sidewalks, and flower beds. You basically get cleaner borders without needing a trimmer. Ever since April, this has been huge for me. My yard edges look cleaner with zero extra effort.
Now, the brains behind this is the EFLS 2.0, Segway's visual positioning system that uses visual SLAM tech. Basically, it knows its exact position like a self-driving car, meaning no missed patches, no overlaps, even when GPS gets weak under trees or near walls. Now, it also has Vision Fence, which recognizes over 150 types of obstacles, like toys, pets, hoses, you name it. It dodges everything like it's got reflexes. You don't have to prep your yard every time it mows. Now here's what I didn't expect: traction control. This thing doesn't just spin out when the grass is wet. The TCS keeps it moving smoothly. No lawn damage, no wheel spinning drama. Wet morning, no problem. Now, if you've got pets or you live near wildlife, animal-friendly mode is awesome. It detects 13 species, which avoids mowing at night and lets you create no-go zones for critters. It's smart and kind.
And another feature I didn't get to show before, the fully customizable mowing schedule inside the app. You can set exactly when the Navimow mows, which zones it covers on specific days, and even choose how it moves. Quiet mode, performance mode, and more. I can check its live status even when I'm not home. Battery level, location, mowing progress, and even receive alerts instantly. So if I'm away or traveling or testing other products, it still keeps the lawn perfect without me lifting a finger. So yeah, using this since April has shown me how deep the customization actually goes.
Now, the weather adaptive system pauses mowing in rain, snow, frost, or extreme heat. You can even choose what weather stops it. Plus, it works with Google Home, and I actually call mine Mowgician. And all I gotta do is tell Google, "Hey Google, start Mowgician," and it starts mowing automatically. You can also set smart routines like linking it to your cameras or lights. Total smart home vibes. Now, safety-wise, you get the anti-theft alerts, child lock, and ultra-quiet operation, just 58 decibels. You can literally nap while it's mowing.
Of course, we're gonna do a last test here. How does it actually mow? And in my opinion, I think this is more of a maintenance type of mower. Now, for example, if you schedule this every third day or every week even, that's all good. But if you have a tall grass and you forgot to mow and it's been, 6 inches or even 10 inches long, this might not be the mower for you. But this is great if you have a fairly good lawn already and you want to just maintain it over time, cut a few inches up to 3 or so inches, then that's all good. But overall, in my opinion, for most people, this is great to have just because it will do the regular mowing for you without a problem.
So here's the deal. The Navimow I series is the ultimate set it and forget it mower. Wire-free, pet-friendly, weather-smart, and super quiet. And since it's Black Friday season, you can grab it for less right now. I'll drop the link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. No, I love it because it makes my yard look perfect, even if the rest of my life is not. But hey, one step at a time, right? No, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in the brand new Navimow I series. If you want to grab one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.